What's going on, stackers? So this video is more of a channel update, just letting you guys know that I'm not going to be doing daily videos for the next 2 weeks and into the new year. Come next year I will be doing daily videos again, but I have so much on at the minute, and with Christmas just round the corner, I've just got so much stuff to do that I can't focus on daily videos for the time being. But don't worry, like I said, it's only going to be for a couple of weeks, but until then I'll probably, I can never say that when I'm recording, I will probably be making videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. So videos every other day, which isn't too bad. So you probably noticed that I didn't publish yesterday either. Sorry about that, I should have made this video sooner. Now, with me only doing videos every other day, I can also focus on the low content book course and getting that done for the new year as well. Now, if you don't know, quite a lot of you have been asking about if I have a course on how to sell low content books on Amazon, because I've started doing that. I'm getting some really good results with that, and a lot of people just want to know how to do it and asked actually if I have a course. So by doing my videos every other day, it's going to free up a little bit of time as well, which I can put into making the course for you guys. Plus, I have actually been doing daily videos now for 3 months straight. So if we scroll down, let's try and find it, that's 1 month ago. Scroll down a little bit more, that's 2 months ago. Scroll down a little bit more, so just here. I've been doing daily videos for just over 3 months now, which is pretty good and I'm pretty happy with that. But for the time being, like I said, it's only going to be a video every other day, and I hope you guys don't mind that. It will also be good to see how much my stats change. So as you know, I do videos every single day. It would be good to see if my traffic from YouTube changes that much, and to see if it actually makes a difference going from 7 videos a week down to 4. Now I'm going to keep this video nice, short and sweet, because like I said, it was just a channel update letting you guys know what's happening. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.